just put your propane tank onto the scale. Now weigh this down and it'll tell you how much propane is in here. And here's a look at this assembled Weber Sphere 2 grill. On this side, you can fold this down. It has an electronic starter. Okay, let's start this up. Underneath the porcelain coated cast iron grate, there are 3 burners. There's also one more burner at the very back of this grill. But you'll notice there are 5 heat dispersion plates. 3 of them are covering the burners. The 2 plates on the outside and the plate in the middle cover the burner. There are 2 additional ones on either side. And what that will do is help disperse heat throughout the entire grill. Also, the heat dispersion plate completely covers the burner, and that'll protect it from any grease falling from the food, which will extend the life of these burners. Now I'm going to grill some food on here and enjoy this new grill.